What's up, WolfPup people? Today I'm going to install an outside LED porch light because the WolfPups don't have one. All they have is the blue light under the awning. I'm going to install this approximately right there. Approximately right there. I'll bring in the wires. I'll drill a hole from the outside to the inside on the inside of this wall. Come through about here. And then we will hook up to the down here the T wires. I'm going to use T1. These are switched 12-volt wires. As soon as I find them, there's T2, T3, and T1. Bad video. These three wires are switched 12-volt, and they're controlled right there. T1, T2, T3. Okay. No going back now. I'm going to go approximately here, right there. Okay, drilled through to the outside, right there. That's about where I want it to be. Sorry for the poor video, but I'm working as I'm recording. Whoa, there's insulation in the walls. Okay, there's our hole. Now I'm going to get the light and stick the wire in the hole and bring it to the inside there. Okay, I got the wires through the wall. Wires through the wall. Now I'm going to mount the light. Okay, the light is mounted. The wires through the hole. Now I'm going to take the light off and put silicone all around the three holes. That screw, the wire, and that screw, and then reattach the light. Okay, I put silicone for that screw, the wire, and that screw. Now I'm going to reattach the light. Okay, I reattached the light and ran a nice bead of silicone around the top half of the light and covered the screws on the outside. I got the cover on. I ran a nice bead of silicone all the way around. Now I'll go inside and wire things up. Okay, to wire things up, I went on Amazon and bought the same clips WolfPup uses for the wires. They're called Wago, W-A-G-O. 221 series lever nuts. Wago. Okay, I have the heat going. It's 38 degrees outside. So now I'm inside with the door closed. Okay, there's the two wires coming in. And I'm going to hook up the black wire to the T1 wire, which is down T1. T1. That's the T1 wire. Hook the black wire to that, and then the white wire, which says it is ground, I'm going to hook to the stereo ground, which is right in here also. It's easy, but I need my other hand, so I'm going to do that and show you the hookup after I'm done. Okay, I hooked up the white wire, which says ground, to this one, this black wire, which you can't see. There. The black wire, that's the stereo ground, so that's ground. And it says the white wire is ground. I hooked up the black wire to the T1 wire. Sorry about the video. I'm not a professional. Okay, so theoretically, it's hooked up. Now when I hit the T1, the light should come on. Here we roll. Ready? T1 pushing. There it is. T1 again. Okay, and it's daytime, so it's not too bright right now, but that's it. Hook up the wires to the ground, hook up the wire to the T1 wire, or T2 or T3. This goes to the ground. Okay, put my panel back. Showed you how to make that on the other videos. Again, not a professional video person. Very difficult to do with one person. There's the T1 light switch right there, T1. And that's connected to that. Works. Come outside. Outside awning light. Be a lot brighter at night. Better than just the blue light under the awning. This light project I would rate medium. It's a little tricky getting the wire through the wall. Not too bad though. And then finding the wires in the mess of wires. Everything's labeled. So again, there's the T1 button. Off, on. Find this helpful. Any questions, direct message me or comment on the video. Thank you.